POV. You're too busy to prepare food, but then you see these life-saving marinades. I'm using chicken for the protein. Original marinade, original tins flavors, plus olive oil. Spicy marinade, spicy tins flavors, plus olive oil. Honey mustard marinade, 1 TBSP honey, 2 TBSP mustard, 2 TSP oil, 3 cloves garlic. Original tins flavors. This one is my 100,000 tens. BBQ marinade, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1 TBSP calamansi juice, 1 TBSP banana ketchup, 1 TBSP brown sugar, 3 cloves garlic, spicy tins flavors. Choose your warrior now.